How to use proxies with AdsPower. Head to the dashboard and choose the plan you prefer. Once you've picked your plan, just tweak your country, state, city settings or the country ISP settings, hit update changes, and then launch the AdsPower app. Click on New Profile. Give it a name, then scroll down to the proxy settings. Change the proxy type to HTTP. After that, go back to the generator and pick between rotating and sticky proxies. If you go for sticky proxies, you can set them up for each session from 1 to 120 minutes. Just grab the host and port, then paste them into the app. Copy the username and password and pop them into their respective fields in the app. Click on Check Proxy. If everything looks good, click on OK and then click on Open. Finally, with Lightning proxies, you can enjoy super fast speeds with no limits.